if I can do this, you can do it too. If this is something you want to do, then you can do it. Philippines is like a second home for me. I got properties there. It feels like home. It feels nice for me. So, I mean, and I've been to other countries too, like Thailand's another one of my favorites. I'm just hanging out in Makati right here. Like I said, you can do this too. Now, I have a whole course about this. If you're interested, it's called ConvoCourses. I don't just talk about security compliance. One of the main things that got me doing this, talking about my experiences, teaching people, is that I noticed a lot of people would ask me, like, what are you doing? Like, how can I do what you're doing? And I started telling people, here's how I do it. What I do, and that's the whole premise behind ConvoCourses, is that I'm going to walk you through exactly what I do. One of the courses that I have, how to get into remote work. It's worked for me for many years. Before COVID, I was working remotely. During COVID and after COVID, I'm going to be working remotely because it's something I really love to do. And as you can see, I've got some other courses here too. But the remote course is one that is really going to help you out. If you want to do this kind of thing, let's say you don't have the money, you don't have the funds for this right now. I understand. Times get rough sometimes. Just go on YouTube, search ConvoCourses remote, and I've got a lot of free stuff on there. Actually, if you sign up, there's some free stuff on ConvoCourses where you can actually learn quite a bit, and every now and then I'll just chit chat with somebody directly and tell them exactly how to do an interview, exactly how to do a resume, exactly how to work remotely for hours. And there's some people who I've mentored for like on and off for like years to show them how to do this. And this is just something I do to help other people out, and like I said, if I can do this, you can do it. And this is my my course on how to do this remotely. It's one of my cheapest ones. Price is going to go up on this real soon. So if you're interested in this, the time to get it is now.